So this is the new Atco Lawnmower 16 SLI. This machine is available as a 16 or 18-inch machine, 42 or 46 centimetres. This is a revolutionary new machine. It works on lithium battery technology and very high voltage motors. I'm going to come back to that in a second, and what I'm going to talk to you now is just about some of the features that are on the mower. The machine has a single point height of cut adjustment going all the way down to 20mm and all the way up to 75mm, and it has 5 separate settings. The machine has a very large 55 litre grass collector, and a great feature on the grass collector is the grass bag full warning indicator. Because the machine can mow so low, down to 20mm, we fit this anti-scalp plate on the front of the machine. What this does is it helps the machine ride over undulations in the ground so that we don't create scalping on the lawn. We also have this edge-to-edge rear roller. You can see it goes from one side of the chassis to the other. So rather than a petrol engine on this machine, we actually have an 80-volt Digitalk electric motor powered by a 5 amp hour lithium battery. This 80-volt motor produces the same sort of power that you would get from any modern day petrol engine. It's very quick and simple to use. There's no smells, there's no fuels, there's no oils to use. You literally just press the button, pull the trigger, and away you go. It's a very good replacement for anybody looking for a modern electric start mower. The battery is very easy and accessible. Under this flap on the side of the motor, you can see the battery is located here, and it's very simple to get out. Click, and the battery is easily removed. Obviously, very quick and simple to reinstall the battery. Okay, so when we remove this 5 amp hour battery, we can actually press the button and it tells us how much charge is left in the battery, and the lights will go off the more the charge is used. The great thing about this battery is that it can be used in conjunction with the hand tools manufactured by our sister company, Stiga. The great thing about lithium technology, it gives us extended running times. This mower, for instance, will mow for around about an hour on a fully charged battery. We will also get around about 1,000 charges out of that battery before it starts to deteriorate. So we will get around about 1,000 charges before the battery starts to deteriorate. So the battery will actually charge up in about 90 minutes. These 80-volt mowers are very quick, simple and easy to use. But not only are they simple to use, but they're maintenance free. So if they're maintenance free, it means that they're costing people less money to run and maintain.
For peace of mind, this machine, subject to annual servicing, has 2 years manufacturer's warranty, and as such is supported by the ServiceLink helpline and over 600 ServiceLink approved dealers across the UK and Ireland. These ServiceLink dealers will happily carry out any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance required.